Vegan weight loss, popular lifestyle that aids weight loss. Vegan weight loss had become far more popular these days than I ever thought it would. Switching over to a vegan diet is easier than ever due to all the products on the market. Vegan products compare very well to the nutritional values of their meat and fish counterparts that you can lose a significant amount of weight in precise order. Vegans, on average, weigh less and have a higher metabolism than those of us who eat meat and dairy products. Some studies show this is true. Veganism is all about not eating meat, fish, eggs, or dairy foods. Veganism is entirely plant-based nutrition. There are so many alternatives to milk from cows, and they are perfect too. Soy milk, rice milk, almond milk, and even milk made from hemp are all excellent alternatives. They are all fortified with vitamin D and calcium. You can use them for everything you use regular milk for, too. Baking, cooking, and even your morning bowl of cereal. Vegan weight loss can even include dessert. You can find dairy-free ice cream on most any freezer section you look in these days. Almost unheard of 10 years ago, they are prevalent now. If you pick a sorbet, read the label to make sure that it is totally dairy-free and only contains fruit, sugar, and ice. If you are a cheese lover, then there are good soy cheese choices. Be aware though, that some soy cheese brands cheat a little bit and add casein, which comes from dairy. Read your labels. This may be permitted if you are vegetarian, but vegans will find it unacceptable. Soy cheese is cholesterol-free and has fewer calories than dairy cheese. Vegan alternatives for meat are becoming more prevalent, too. Tofu is a good one. If you find that you do not like tofu as it is, you could maybe add it to different dishes to see if you can find a way to use it. Tofu is loaded with protein, and perhaps you just need to find a favorite way of preparing it. Try baking, grilling, and frying. Maybe with some good seasoning, you will like it. If not, then try some veggie patties. You can find them at your grocery store, probably even at your favorite restaurant. Vegetarian and vegan alternatives usually have their own section in the grocery store to search for it or just ask where it is. These veggie patties may cost a bit more, but they are healthier than regular meat. Fresh fruits and vegetables are essential for everyone but especially vegans. They can help you get necessary nutrients to ward off deficiencies in your diet that can cause severe problems with your health. When you are out to eat, substitute steamed veggies for the potatoes and butter the meal comes with. You have to be careful to balance your meals and make sure you are getting the correct amount of nutrients in your vegan weight loss diet. This may take a bit of careful planning. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new.